At this point, I need to define the collaborators for the command handlers and event handlers. If you recall, the first model we implemented was the CRAC model. In this model, we identified and modeled commands and events. Subsequently, a command handler is automatically created for each command in the CQRS model at the PIM level through transformations. Similarly, for each event that a domain concept is interested in, an event handler is generated at the PIM level within the CQRS model. To handle a command or an event, I likely require an interface or service that can implement the necessary functionality. For instance, let's consider a handler named createOrderHandler, responsible for processing order creation requests. To fulfill this requirement, I need an iOrder repository interface to interact with the data repository, storing order information. Additionally, I must retrieve information about the shopping cart, which can be achieved through the iCart service interface. Similarly, the iCustomer service interface provides access to customer information. During command execution, one or more events may be published. To handle event publishing, I rely on an iMessage broker. Mapping domain events to messages and sending them also requires an iEventMapper interface. These interfaces collectively enable the high-level functionality described. Likewise, for other handlers, we can define corresponding collaborators. The same approach applies to event handlers. For example, the customer-created handler handles the customer-created event. Upon receiving this event, I store customer data using the iCustomer repository interface to communicate with the repository. In the CQRS model at the PIM level, I navigate to the command handler section. These command handlers are automatically generated through model transformations, and I only need to provide additional information. For instance, I specify that collaborators should be of interface type and define collaborators for the command handlers. Once I've defined collaborators for the command handlers, I repeat the process for event handlers. With this stage completed, I can click the Done button for this task and proceed with the MDD process. As the process execution continues, we encounter another manual task that requires completion. I will explain how to perform this task in the next video.